Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Xactimate property claims estimating app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Xactimate is a property claims estimating app developed for insurance adjusters, contractors, and property professionals to streamline repair and damage assessments. The app provides access to detailed pricing databases, interactive sketch tools, customizable templates, and professional reporting features. It also supports claim management workflows, making it easier to create accurate estimates and share reports with clients or insurers. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Xactimate's comprehensive tools and the accuracy it brings to property estimates. The sketching and cost calculation features help speed up the claims process, while customizable templates ensure professional reports that meet industry standards. Its integration with pricing databases keeps estimates current and reliable. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel the interface can be complex for beginners, and mastering all features may require training. Additionally, full access to pricing databases, templates, and advanced tools requires a subscription, which may be expensive for casual users or smaller contractors. In summary, the Xactimate app may be worth using if you need a professional, data-driven solution for property claims and repair estimates. However, if you require a simpler, free tool or are new to property estimating, the learning curve and subscription costs may be a consideration. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.